Make a great choice today with the 2016 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.